phoneme segmentation. So for phoneme blending, you can do other activities as well. Right now, the examples are taken at the simplest level. Okay, I have you can say most of the words here are chosen in CVC form, right? Consonant, vowel, consonant. So later on, you can then make use of digraphs and all where you have two letters together producing same sound. Okay, so the level kind of you can say raises depending on your children's level of understanding, how far they have, you can say, understood this, then you can raise the level in a way, right? So phoneme segmentation, here, what do you do is segmenting in a way, okay? Breaking a word into its separate sounds, seeing each sound as they count it, followed by writing and reading of the word. So before this, what we did was when we did the blending, allow your children to blend the word, say the word, then write the word with the sound, and then the letter. You can say that the sound, you can say whatever letter represents that sound. Okay, in this way they learn the spelling as well. So phoneme segmentation, breaking a word into its separate sounds, saying each sound as they count it, followed by writing and reading of the word. For example, the teacher asks, how many sounds are in the word drop? Earlier, what we did in phoneme blending, what we did was we, you can say, produce the separate phonemes of the word. We didn't say the word, but the phonemes. And the children were allowed to blend the phonemes to form the word. So here, this is the opposite. What we are doing here is segmenting, right? Separating the sounds. How many sounds are in the word drop? Now the children have to, what they had to do is, they had to break the word into its sounds. Okay, how many sounds do you see here? Drop.
4.
4 sounds. Okay, they are D, O, P. Right, 4 sounds. So this is one word, right? Drop. Then you can take help of other words as well. Okay, say suppose if we have cup. Okay, how many sounds?
3.
3 sounds. Yes. Mhm. K.
Uh,
Okay. Now, this is the sound. Okay, it's simple here. So if we read, okay, can you mute yourself for a while? Thank you. So C-U-P, if we write this word, okay, C-U-P, these are the letters. So the sound I told you is put inside slash, okay, C-U-P, right? So this vowel, okay, actually has 3 sounds. As per sound wave program, what you will come to learn about this. U, U. So here, the first sound is produced. Okay, the 26 letters of the alphabet, right? We have 26 letters in the English alphabet. Each letter can have more than one sound. There are some letters which has just one sound, and some letters have more than 2 or 3 sounds. Okay, so these are called phonemes. And generally, English is considered to be having 44 phonemes. Okay, and then phonic communicator is in a way the different representation in a way that you will come to know later.